Hi, Freddy. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, kitty. Huh? Hi, kitty. Where you going? Oh, you're gonna go eat, aren't you? Okay. Bye-bye. So Jason put the blade on the pickup, hopefully one last time this year. I'm hoping, anyhow. And then we can, I guess, hopefully be done with it. We can go back to normal activities as such. That 8300 is looking like $1 million tractor. It should bring about $2 million with that turnout on it. You cannot get paint to stick to that. I don't even think you could, even if you took sandpaper and ran across it first, and then actually maybe even a couple different grades of sandpaper to rough it up really good and then paint it black. I was told that I don't think you could get paint to stick to that. So it's quite unfortunate. Oh shoot, I forgot to tell Jason about them welds up there that weld up there was starting to break. But you probably gotta take the whole darn, yeah. You'd have to end up taking the whole darn thing off here. Taking it off, laying it down. We could just put a little shorty on it. You know, a little flappy cap and just be done with it. But I don't think Dad would go for that. So let me go mention it to Jason right quick, and we will continue with some of our outdoor activities. So I had a video all ready to go, and then when I was editing, my laptop decided that an hour video is too much to try and cram into 20 minutes. Too much to edit and everything, so you guys won't be seeing me do an oil change on that skid loader, but it is done at 40, what's on the clock? 4,438 hours. And it's still going. Got that all done. Run down, pick little buddy up, so that way he don't have as far of a walk. I always forget that about the remote, but oh wow. Oh dear. Get my foot out of it. Something as simple as wanting to go do a couple last minute plowings so we can get rid of that plow. Well, it's kind of hard to operate a plow without the controller to make the plow go up and down, left and right, and all that happy hoopla stuff. We have broken wires inside the controller. Why do we have broken wires? Who knows? Could be the way you grab it and pull on it, or let it lay across your lap, or it could be mice problems. So we're doing performing open heart surgery on this, and we don't know if it's something we can just cut and splice wires back together. That's probably not the best thing to do, but hey, when you're a farmer and you need to get stuff done, you come up with the best way to fix your broken item. If it means doing so with butt connectors, then so be it. If it means doing things the right way, you call your local Kubota dealer, Myers Snowplow dealer in Ohio, and you order the right one. But we can't get this thing, I mean, it'll go up to get the thing out the door to go take the blade off, but every time you want to go up, down, left, and right, other than just getting the thing out the door to go unhook it somewhere, you have to play with wires for every bit of a minute, it seems like, to get the controller to make connectivity. It always amazes me, these circuit boards, just how darn tiny everything is. I mean, you would have to go to school to learn how to put them little, I don't know what these things here are, diodes or something. But man, that is so just intricate and just so tiny. I mean, man, it always amazes me. I think a TV, the old school or the old style, like the 1990s ones, the real big gorky ones. I tore one apart once because it was broke. The board fell out of it. You want to talk about a lot of hairpin wires and everything. It's worse than this. It's just, how can one wrap their mind around it? It's really, really hard. It works, or if it fails, maybe. Did anybody check the pump oil in this thing lately?
No, we did when we changed the cylinder.
Okay. Did anybody grease it?
Probably.
Okay. So, does it light up like it should?
Yep.
See, that's what I mean, how you hold the button.
I didn't hold it.
You didn't?
Watch this.
Let me...
Watch.
Yeah, I'm watching. Okay. So it's in float. Okay. You're not, there ain't a way you can double click that, is there?
I did.
That's interesting. Now what I wonder what happens if you just... Ah. I see what's going on with this thing. So when you, hang on. So when you double click, so that's what it's, I wonder why they would have you double click that to put strain on the motor like that when it comes to the end of the cylinder, because I would think that you would want to just push and hold, and then when you hear it, you know, you let off as soon as it gets the end of the stroke. But that's weird. So I think what happens is, I don't know, I think Dad sometimes puts it back here. I don't know how. Oh, you know what? Because when he holds it is when it works this like this, okay? Yeah, because you're...
You got a shift.
I wonder if there ain't a mount that you can buy that you can put that there.
Not for a handheld.
You can't do that?
Not for a handheld. That's what it's meant to be, is held.
Oh. Huh. Okay. Do you want me to follow you around with my gator?
Nope.
You're good?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna be real quick, like.
You're gonna be like, you're gonna be the speed of Batman. In and out. Yep. Good deal. Good deal. We got that all figured out. Oh, so he's double clicking that thing. Okay. I didn't realize you could do that. So there's little buddy. Let's see if I can get some action of him plowing snow. I don't know, everybody likes snow plowing videos. I don't want to plow my gator. So I think to end the video, we'll get us a little snow plowing action, why don't you say? He's doing. Forgot to bring my snow shovel up here, but you know what? Really ain't any snow to shovel here anywho, so nothing that the old foot can't do, right? Ooh, come on. Come on. Oh, good. Double clicking that thing, that's why that thing's doing that. Oh, back up. Oh. I didn't realize he was double clicking it until we were monkey within it in the garage. Come on. Come on. Hop. This driveway's kind of hard to plow. At least it don't slam like the older blades did. So then what he's going to do, he's going to back up in there, what he already pushed, back drug, and he's going to push it right up in here. Should have sprayed some diesel fuel on that thing before we got started, but it'll melt off. Diesel fuel will help that snow slide off that thing. He can double click it and put it in reverse and start backing away. I think he'll do it. Yep. Now he don't have to waste time going after he picks the blade up to drop it. Or picks the blade up to go into reverse, I mean. Nope, other way. Oh! Come on up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good! Ah, even cleaned my rug off for me a little bit. Come on. 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 Good. Come on. Straight. You're not straight. No, your wheels. Your wheels. Okay. Come on. Good. Just like that. Come on. Hey. Straight. Okay. Oh. Good. Come on. Come on. Good. He's going to go back there. He's just going to push it all. Well, we'll deal with that when the time comes. Well, I'm hoping this is the last snow for a while. This has been a doozy, I will say. Well, I think we're pretty much done here. I'm gonna run down to my grandma's and hit hers, and swing into my grandpa's and maybe dress his up a little bit. So I often find myself asking the question when others, or I should say answering the question with, when I am asked, why don't you put a plow on this gator? The simple answer is, I don't want front end problems. Transmission problems, front end problems, and that is good. Just run down and hit my other grandma's here and keep on rolling. It's just easy to let Dad do it with the pickup. See, that's exactly what we don't want to do, is push the limestone into the yard. Maybe just hit this with a shovel real quick and we will keep on moving here. So it looks like Grandma left, but I'm still gonna just scrape this. Get this off of here so that way it does not make ice when it melts. Ah, so little buddy is gonna take care of this. I was getting after it with a shovel, but it is what it is here. Works back dragging better than it does pushing it all up into the grass. Get himself turned on around a half after back dragging this, so he's just gonna push it right that way. Son will take care of most of this after you get the heavy stuff off. Good deal. Up. I was gonna wipe that snow off. okay. And we are done. And that's it. Take it back and take the blade off. Now, a nice thing I do like about this blade is that it's got this jack here. And what you do is, it's quite simple. Oh, if you take this jack and it goes right in the middle here, right, just like that. And then what you want to do is just let the jack just barely touch the ground, and it'll, oh, went the wrong way. And that jack is what holds the blade up. Just like that. I think you're clear. Oh, that would have been bad if I didn't unhook the electric. That would have been really bad. Oh, it's a good thing you caught that. So now all you do then is you simply just back away, just like that.